Welcome to Mindful Monday. Today's post is Mind Your 4 Digital Assets. An attorney I met had a father-in-law who ran 3 businesses from his BlackBerry. When he died suddenly, she was shocked at how difficult it was to access his emails, his accounts, and his online life. Every online provider seemed to have different requirements. Have you ever given thought to your digital assets and how someone else would step in your shoes if necessary? It's estimated the average American has between 30 and 80 online accounts with passwords. Keeping track can be overwhelming, but we can begin by naming 4 main types: personal assets, financial assets, business assets, and social accounts. First one, personal assets. These are photos, movies, ebooks, music, podcasts. Unlike your Simon and Garfunkel vinyl records, Michael Jackson CDs, and Rocky DVDs that your kids are going to get whether they want them or not, some e-libraries you can't leave to anyone. For example, Kindle and iTunes libraries access die with their owners. For all your photos and videos stored in the cloud, make sure you have a backup, especially if it's iCloud. Upon proof of death, all content in an iCloud account is deleted. Number 2, financial assets. Bank accounts, brokerage accounts, PayPal accounts, frequent flyer points, Bitcoin, all kinds of points. Did you sign up for paperless statements? Good for you, but make sure you have documented somewhere that the accounts exist. If no one can get into your email and you haven't kept good notes or have a plan or a notebook, they may not even know the account exists. Number 3, business assets. That could be your blog, your ebook, your book, your e-commerce sites. Intellectual property nowadays is mostly housed digitally. Have you inventoried your copyrighted works and addressed them in your estate planning documents? That goes for your online businesses too. Can someone get to all of those in a way that will continue to produce revenue and royalties for you while you're alive and your estate later? Number 4, social accounts. Email, text messages, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. An elderly friend of mine passed away about 6 years ago, but his face and his profile still pop up occasionally as someone I might know. I'm guessing his family either aren't involved with social media or faced the same problem as my attorney friend, that they were not able to log in and post a nice memorial tribute to a wonderful man. What do you want your online presence to look like, if at all, and for how long after you're gone? With all of these different accounts and assets, it seems like you might need a digital will and executor. Well, it turns out there are such things now, and 10 states, including Florida, have ratified them through passage of the Uniform Fiduciary Access to Digital Assets Act, UFIDA. In this act, if it's been ratified, you can name a digital executor, someone to access your email, your text messaging, and social media accounts in your will or trust, and the online and phone providers must honor that. If you've been reading or watching me for a while, you know I'm a fan of having a notebook. But if you aren't the paper notebook type or you're ready to go paperless, check out everplans.com. For $75, you can have a plan online and inventory of your estate, including your digital estate, easily accessible to those you trust. If you give it a try, let me know how it works out so I can post your feedback here for future viewers and readers. That's Mindful Monday, and I'm Holly Thomas. Hope you have a great week.